So the simple example that I want to use to demonstrate the Get Started with project is building building a website. And here I've got something that many project managers will work with is they would have an idea or a brief for a project. They would sit down and work together with a team, come up with a list of tasks and activities that need to be performed, and that would be the output of the session. So this is just a really simple example. Often projects will be much more complex than this, but to just illustrate the example, I've just got these simple steps that we come up with just to work with a couple of teams across an organisation to start a particular website. So these are the tasks that the team will be working through. And then in order to take the project forwards, I've identified five roles to support this project, and these will be the resources that we will be assigning to tasks and syncing up in SharePoint as well. So normally you would have named people who would be doing the work. Sometimes there would be teams. There could be teams, but ideally you'd be looking to work with individuals, and you'd be having their names listed out here as to who's responsible for what as part of the project plan. So let's get started with creating the plan from this PowerPoint. So the first thing I'm going to do is to actually take the output of the brainstorming, and I'm going to create the tasks within Microsoft Project from this output. So I'm just going to copy and paste these in. I'm going to do a paste special and paste them in as just plain data, and there we have it. So we've created the tasks here from the PowerPoint outputs, and this is the initial part of our plan. And so what we're going to do now, we're also going to add the resources that we identified. So let's have a look at capturing those. So we've got these resources here. So let's copy them, and we can put them into the resource sheet of our project, which we've found here. So we've found it down in the bottom right hand corner. Resource sheet is what we're going to use to capture these resources, and again we use paste special. We paste them in as text. So there we go. So we've got our resources on our project from that PowerPoint, and we've also got the start points of the Gantt chart.